Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to make money with Clickbank. If you would like to make money with Clickbank, you are not alone. The e-commerce platform has a library of over 4,000 unique products that reach over 200 million customers around the world. The platform works through an affiliate network, making it easy for its registered users to increase their visibility and promote their ebooks, online courses, videos, and music to more customers. There are two main ways to make money using Clickbank. The first way is to create your own product and list them. The second way is to skip the product creation step and list other people's products while taking a commission from each sale. Now, the number one method, selling your own products on Clickbank. Clickbank makes it easy to promote your digital goods and services. You will be charged a $49.95 one-time activation fee for becoming a seller on the service. After you have signed up as a vendor, you will list your products, then you will set the commission percentage you are willing to pay to anyone. Once your product is listed, other Clickbank users will start promoting it on their own website. Clickbank is a tool for generating leads. If you are selling product on Clickbank, it is a good idea to make sure that your landing page, the destination all your affiliates are sending traffic to, is user friendly, sales oriented, and has a clear call to action. It may be better to view Clickbank as a tool for generating leads because you may not sell 100,000 copies of your ebook immediately. Clickbank can act as a part to drive visitors to your website so they can sign up for your newsletter. Selling other people's products on Clickbank. In addition to selling your own products on Clickbank, you can also act as an affiliate, that is, market product listed by other vendors. As soon as you sign up to become an affiliate on Clickbank, you can immediately browse the different products available for you to sell. It is important to thoroughly review a vendor's sales page before committing to promoting their products. They may be offering a 75% commission rate, but if their website does not appear trustworthy, you won't be able in a position to generate sales. Marketing Clickbank products. To begin with, you should have a website that contains other affiliate offers similar to the Clickbank products that you want to promote. If you do not have a website, WordPress offers a free version of its content management system that you can use to begin publishing articles immediately. Building a fan page on a Facebook is also an option since most audience are on the social media platforms too. You can populate your Facebook page with content that links you to your website and use it to drive traffic to your website. The more traffic there is to your website, the more money you have the potential to make with Clickbank. To maximize your traffic, you should spend some time identifying keywords that are commonly searched for that relate to the product. Long tail keywords phrases or longer and more traffic search phrases rather than one or two words. For example, if you are planning to promote an online poker course, you might do something keyword search and decide that the term online poker course. Optimize your website and capture visitor information. Whether you are promoting your own product or someone else's content, the most important thing is to make sure that your website is functional and error-free. You will also want to begin capturing the information of people who visit your website as soon as possible. Compete risk with $100,000 in virtual cash. Put your trading skills to the test with our free stock simulator. Compete with thousands of Investopedia traders and trade your way to the top. Submit traders in the virtual environment before you start risking your own money. Practice trading strategies so that when you are ready to enter the real market, you have had the practice you need. Thank you for watching my video.